Hi, I'm wellness and compassion activist Haile Thomas and author of the empowerment cookbook Living Lively, and this is Cook With Us with Well+Good. Today we are making spiced strawberry shortcake quinoa parfaits. This is a recipe that I absolutely love, not only because it's super fun and really honors and celebrates berry season, but also it's a really unique combination of textures and flavors, and it's super simple to pull together on a busy morning, whether you're working from home or whatever your situation may be. Be sure to like and subscribe, and let's jump right into it. We are going to start off by making a strawberry mixture. So here I just have some diced strawberries. I am so happy that strawberries are finally in season. Of course, they taste so much better this time of year. So you get that nice sweetness, that nice tanginess. And I'm just going to add this to a bowl here where we're going to combine a few other ingredients as well. So we've got our strawberries here, of course super high in antioxidants, heart healthy, so I feel very happy about this shortcake for my breakfast just because I know it's also doing my body good. So got our strawberries in here, then I'm going to add some maple syrup. And we'll just add that to our strawberry blend. And then half a teaspoon to a teaspoon of lemon zest. So depending on how zesty you like it, you can also punch this up a bit, but this really feels nice and balanced to me. So we're just going to combine this here, get all of our ingredients incorporated, and then just let it rest while we put together our Quinoa Parfait base. I have been a huge fan of quinoa for years now. I know there was like a quinoa wave, I feel like maybe back in 2012, 2013, but I have not forgotten about quinoa since it was trendy. So it's still a staple in my house and something that I love getting creative with, of course, in savory dishes, but I really have a lot of fun using it for sweeter breakfasts or creative desserts, things like that. And so this is really a new way to experience quinoa maybe for you. So here I just have 2 cups of cooked quinoa, just cooked plainly with water, and I'm just adding that to my food processor bowl. And now what I'm going to do is add in some pistachios and golden raisins. So this is where I really encourage you to get creative. I personally love pistachios just because I feel like they're a little bit more of a mature nut, I guess I would say. It feels nice and sophisticated, and oftentimes we don't really use pistachios during breakfast time, so I like using this for its flavor profile as well. It's nice and earthy. And then I just have some golden raisins for a little bit of chewiness and sweetness. And finally, we're just adding in some maple syrup, and you can use whatever sweetener you prefer here as well. And that is literally it. Now we're just going to pulse this until it reaches a consistency that we like. Okay, so we've pulsed our quinoa to a pretty nice texture. Now I'm just going to add our spice blend of cinnamon and cardamom. Just nice and warming spices. I love having that dichotomy of warming and cooling flavors here. So just adding our spices and pulsing once more. Okay, we've got our beautiful quinoa mixture all ready, and something that's so great about quinoa and having it for breakfast, loaded with fiber, great source of protein, and then also you have our pistachios, which are another really fiberful nut. So this is just a really nice and filling breakfast as well. You'd be surprised for a parfait. It can carry you through the day quite a bit. But this is literally the last element, and now all we have to do is build our parfaits. All I'm going to do is just layer our elements here, starting with a layer of our quinoa mixture and then some yogurt. I'm using some plant-based coconut yogurt, and then of course we'll top it with our strawberry mixture and repeat as much as we can to fill these cups. But typically this recipe serves about 4 people. I'm very excited to dig into this, so let's give it a try. It's always so hard to get the perfect camera bite, but I will try for you. Here we go. Ooh. It's so good. Instantly, I'm just hit with all the strawberry goodness. The lemon zest is such a nice pop here, and then to have the quinoa, this like fluffiness, and then a little crunch of pistachio, and the nice chewy richness of the golden raisins, and of course the yogurt just has this like mellow, delicious, soft, and nice coconutty flavor. Enjoy this recipe, enjoy the eating experience as well, and that you stay tuned for more videos. Be sure to subscribe to Well+Good.